What the hell, Navya?
Hi, this is What the Hell Navya Season 2 presented by Tira, India's newest beauty shopping experience. We're all about having open and honest conversations, and today we're going to be talking about love. It's a four-letter word, but it's not that simple, it's not that easy. It's a roller coaster of emotions, and I think it's a ride that we've all been on. I think understanding love is different. It means something different to everyone. So whether you're an Arijit fan or a Taylor Swift fan, I think love means something different to you. Even though I'm a Gen Z, I still find navigating modern dating culture a little difficult from all the apps and the swipes and the comments and the ticks. So I have two people here today who are going to help me understand love a bit more because it may be different back in the day and it means something different to us today. So we're going to have a talk about it and I hope that it helps you guys understand and navigate love a little bit better as well. So I have my mom and my nani today. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are we feeling today?
I'm very underslept, so expect crankiness.
Oh, wow. What a great day for a great topic, in a great mood to talk about love.
Love can be many kinds.
So we're going to talk about that.
Mother-daughter love,
Grandmother,
grandmother,
granddaughter love.
love.
Friendship love, romantic love.
Dr. Love is
I'm not
talking
Dr.
to
Love.
us.
Yeah.
I'm not Dr. Love. I'm not taking this tag. But since I'm the Gen Z in the room, I want to ask both of you what you think about modern dating.
मैं उसके बारे में सोचती नहीं हूँ. वो मेरा
हाँ, but-
दायरा ही नहीं है.
Okay, but mom, do you think that all these apps and this whole modern dating culture has helped us define love or changed the meaning of love completely?
I mean, I know that no one has patience anymore, so they don't want to adjust. You don't want to give things time. It's like, okay, in 1 or 2 dates, if you're not getting along, you move on. I don't know.
प्यार का मतलब move on तो नहीं हो
तो
सकता.
आपके लिए प्यार का मतलब क्या है?
Compatibility, understanding, adjustments. वो पता नहीं आजकल
मैं वही पूछने वाली थी कि आपको लगता है कि हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स इसीलिए ज्यादा समय तक
आप लोगों का relationship होता है, प्यार नहीं होता.
I think you guys have so many more options than any of us did. You know, your pool is so much larger.
नहीं options तो
No, I
हमारे
think so.
जमाने में भी
No, but I
बहुत थे
think
मगर
no, but Mama, in our time, it was just like, okay,
नहीं, your time and my time
school,
was a little
Very
different.
different.
you know, school or the same city or maybe the same country. But today, you know, people are traveling, the world is shrunk, people are traveling, they're communicating across borders. So your options are a lot more. So you don't have to just make do with just this much. And I think that's where these apps come into play because
मगर
you get
प्यार
to
में
meet
this
people.
much कहाँ से आता है?
Look, Mama, the definition of everything has changed,
हाँ,
right?
मैं मानती
So
हूँ.
even the definition of love has changed. What that slow pace is not there anymore.
Also समझने की कोशिश करने की जो एक इच्छा होती है वो आज के जमाने में बच्चों में नहीं है. हो
No,
सकता
I
है
think on
नहीं
their,
नहीं
their
है.
level they do. I mean, it would be very like backward of us to think they don't want to understand. Sometimes I think they're a little too understanding. And also, I'm thinking that these apps that you're talking about, I mean, how are they any different from being set up by friends or like parents or whatever? You know?
Arrangements.
Yeah.
arranged.
I mean,
not really, because
I
at
mean,
that
in our
time,
time and day, there was like, oh, I think this guy would be really good for her.
or you'd
Or
see
you
a
set
photo.
up two friends. Or like even for marriage, there's so many arranged marriages. So maybe this is just a more time efficient way of doing it.
Yeah, I
you
think
know?
it's quicker.
Time
and-
efficient.
I think, Mama, I'm saying the definition has changed. From your time to my time, it's changed, and from my time to her time, it's definitely
तो
changed.
definition बताओ क्या है?
I think हमारे लिए इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है. हम उसको एक बहुत आसान तरीके से देखते हैं कि किसी से प्यार करना है तो इट हैज टू बी इजी.
प्यार करना है मतलब
As in, अगर हो जाता है प्यार, that it's something that has to be easy and not something you have to put so much effort into.
अगर प्यार हो तो एफर्ट नहीं होता है नव्या.
I think the whole definition of love should be that even if you make an effort, it doesn't feel like an effort because
Yeah.
you want to do it.
Right.
One of our leaves have died. It's driving me nuts. Sorry. Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now even I can see it.
वो
Now I
light
can't
की वजह से
unsee it.
लाइट की वजह से.
No, it's a dead leaf.
It's a dead leaf. Yeah, like a plant, I think. You have to keep watering it.
Okay,
Oh.
okay. Wow.
But I think you guys also have a lot of social pressure. You have to have that Valentine's Day thing. You have to go on a holiday and then post pictures.
I think
you have
that's what
it's too
you guys
much.
think we want.
No, but you all
just
do
because
this.
just because a handful of people in our generation do it
No,
doesn't mean
but listen
is
to me.
after the same
Listen to
thing.
me. That becomes the template. Oh, even I want to do this.
I don't think
even
so.
I want to do that.
I
mean-
actually think that a lot of us in this generation have understood that this whole concept of putting everything out there and celebrating Valentine's Day and going on this holiday and that holiday isn't really what love is. And I think that we're actually going back to the old ways where at least I feel that people are a little burnt out with all of these apps and like
That's a handful of people, darling.
yeah,
I just
but-
want to tell you that it's a very lonely generation. So you guys are so lonely that apps are always going to be there. That's always going to be a part of your life.
Okay, I have a question. Do you think happily ever after is a myth? Or do you think that it's a work in progress?
Everything is a work in progress. You have to make an effort, otherwise, nothing works. You have to adjust, you have to accommodate.
See, like in the start of a relationship, they say you're in that honeymoon phase and everything is great.
There is no honeymoon.
Oh, but
No, not in marriage, in a relationship.
they
I mean,
typically
even in
say
a
like the
relationship.
first
I
year
guess.
or the first year and a half is like your
First
honeymoon.
year.
Yeah, is your honeymoon phase and everything is great. And then after that is when you really start getting to know somebody on a deeper level. And that's when all the problems start happening or disagreements. So do
You
you
have to
believe
live
in
with
that?
somebody to know the
What
details.
they're
Otherwise, शाम को मिल गए, दिन को मिल गए, चाय पी ली, कॉफी पी ली, डिनर खा
But
लिया.
these guys
उससे
share a lot
थोड़ी-
of their lives and times.
Is oversharing in a relationship bad or good?
I find it easier.
So you're a
I
sharer.
also think it's fine.
No, she
अच्छा
doesn't.
सोच रही हूँ, बुरा सोच रही हूँ वो भी.
Yeah,
उनके
even
बारे
I.
में भी बुरा सोच रहे हो तो आप बोल
मगर
देते हो.
उसी वक्त नहीं,
थोड़े-
समय देख के.
I think something our generation doesn't understand is the concept of space in a relationship where we feel like if we haven't spoken to somebody in 4 hours, then it's a crisis because now you can message, you can Instagram, you can call, you can video call, and then there's just constant. करते हैं हम वो हमारा
शुरू-शुरू में-
romance ही खत्म हो गया क्योंकि कुछ बचा नहीं है, There's no anticipation of.
Why are you all doing it? Then stop doing
yeah,
it.
not. But that's what I'm saying. That I'm
Speak
learning.
in the morning and speak in the evening.
I'm doing that. I'm learning that it's actually a very detrimental thing when you're constantly because then you have nothing left to talk about. You have nothing left to say. There's no anticipation or excitement to meet that person.
Sounding like a really sorry state of
Yeah.
affairs, Navya.
I'm trying to be more millennial instead of Gen Z. I really think that we make that other person or the individual that we're in a relationship with our entire world. So everything starts revolving around that,
No,
including
that's
our
so in
happiness.
every generation.
No, but I'm saying maybe it's not a good thing to say that
But
your
who
happiness.
has found that balance? Has
I'm sure
anyone
there are
found?
people.
Has anyone
नहीं,
found
वो
that
हर
balance?
generation
I'm
में होता
asking
है.
you, did you?
I
find
don't
that?
know anyone who has effectively found that balance. No one
Who's
can
been
find
able
that
to
balance.
separate themselves from the person that they're
I mean, you have to have some
No.
crazy willpower or something.
with. No, as in you can't
मुझे
make
ऐसा
that
लगता है कि
person.
आप लोग है ना हर चीज को डाइसेक्ट बहुत करते
Yeah.
हो, कैलकुलेट बहुत करते
No,
हो.
I'm saying that we can't make somebody else responsible for our happiness, and that's something that we tend to do when we're in.
नव्या, आप हैप्पीनेस दूसरों से क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं?
I'm saying कि automatically हो जाता है. हम
Yeah,
expect
but
करते
why?
हैं.
हैप्पीनेस
don't
इस
know.
सिचुएशन से होना
And I
चाहिए,
said this in the
फीलिंग से होना चाहिए, नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग.
I said this in season 1 that everyone can't fulfill everything. You have to
Yeah.
have different people for different needs in your life. Friends are there for something. Your partner is there for something. Your brother, sister is there for something. Your parents are there for something. You need to get different things from different people. You guys want
Big
everything
choice.
from the same person.
आई रिमेम्बर मेरी सास हमेशा कहा करती थी कि आप लोगों से एक्सपेक्टेशंस जितना कम करोगे,
Yeah. I
जिंदगी
agree.
में डिसअपॉइंटमेंट उतना कम होगा.
Working on it.
तो मैं कोशिश तो ये करती हूँ
मैं
कि
भी वही कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
Not
but
at
इतना
all.
आसान नहीं
Navya's
है.
an over pleaser.
No,
loves-
I've become better.
I've not seen
I've
that.
become better.
I'm sorry.
I think I've become better.
She wants to just please everyone and keep everyone happy all the time.
Because I want
She will
everyone to love
burn
me.
herself out doing things for others.
That's true.
And they don't give
but
that.
that's her personality.
back.
Leave her be.
I,
That's her
but
That's meant to be.
personality.
I'm working on it. I have
That's
to.
your personality. You be yourself.
Yes, but I-
Most important is to be natural. What comes to you naturally, you must do.
Yeah.
अगर आपसे वो naturally नहीं होता है, मत करो. क्योंकि आप
See,
गलत
it
करोगे.
doesn't come to me naturally to be clean, so or tidy.
So
So
that you must develop.
okay, do
Yeah,
you think in
Navya.
a relationship, like it would be a deal breaker for you if somebody was messy, like your partner was
Yes, for
very
me,
messy?
yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
We are
I
both
wouldn't be
For
able
me,
to.
it would be a complete no-no.
I wouldn't be able to date someone like you.
Why?
Because
I'm not
I
that
just want to
messy.
tell you, even today, I've had to pick up and clean up after you because I was so nervous that she'll go in and she'll see what
Where
a
did
mess
I-
you've made and you'll get a firing. Anyway, why are we doing this
Yeah, I don't
housekeeping
know.
this thing?
we can move swiftly back to love. I know because we love each
We
other.
haven't bashed Navya for a long
I know
time.
it's so much fun bashing her.
Okay, but another thing I want to talk about is today, at least in our Gen Z lingo, we keep talking about toxic relationships or like toxic traits in our partner. So
Yeah,
what?
red flags.
Yeah,
and
like
I see it
red
on
flags.
Instagram
Do you
all
know
the
what a red
time.
flag is?
मुझे नहीं
Red
पता.
flag is like a trait in somebody or
It's
a
like a danger sign that
or
it's
like
a sign that this is
behavioral
not good.
pattern.
So
What
कहाँ,
a
where do you put that
what a
sign?
universe.
You
Are there
don't put
any?
it anywhere. You just say that this is a
Acha,
red
acha.
flag in that person, that this person is like
Okay,
this.
but tell me, is there like a universal definition of a red flag, or is it
No, I mean-
different for each person?
Cheating and stuff like that, that would all be red flags.
Mistreating.
Yeah, mistreating,
Bad language.
abuse, like these are generic red flags, but I'm sure.
Bad manners for me would be a big red flag.
What do you mean by bad manners?
एक चीज जो मुझे बहुत बुरी लगती है जब लोग तू तुम करके बात करते हैं, चाहे किसी से भी हो. आपने कभी मुझे नाना को तुम से बात करते हुए सुना? मुझे लगता है ये सब चीजों के लिए कॉन्शियसली एफर्ट करना चाहिए जो आपके जनरेशन के लोग नहीं करते हैं. आप से तुम से तू, तू के बाद फिनिश्ड. तो रिलेशनशिप भी ऐसे ही होता है ना. जब तक आप किसी की इज्जत नहीं
I
करेंगे,
think
प्यार नहीं
Yeah,
रहेगा.
respect is
Respect
very
is a very
important.
important. Respect each other, respect boundaries that two people have.
Absolutely.
That's-
Boundaries are very important.
But what boundaries do you think are important in any relationship?
Well, violence is obviously no.
Oh, big
Physical
no.
violence is no.
And
Even emotional
verbal,
violence.
Verbal,
It's just going to corrode everything.
yeah.
When one partner says, these are things that really bother me, please try and avoid doing them. To have that respect, that don't do it. If someone
Yeah.
doesn't like it, just don't keep doing it.
Yeah.
Show that little consideration and respect. And not to drag fights. If someone says sorry, you should just
Yeah.
drop it.
Yeah, I agree.
Because they have understood and then
You
on
both are
and
saying this
on
to
and
me.
on. It's too much.
You both are saying this.
No, yes, I'm saying it.
Yes.
Mama, when we
it's
fight,
frustrating.
it takes you 2-3 days to
No,
manao you
Navya,
back.
it never does. I
It
just want
does.
to say that I actually bounce back so fast from a fight. Once it's out, it's out. My conscience is clear, my heart is clear, my mind is
I'm
clear, and
also-
I can move on and be happy and loving and everything.
Yeah, you.
I
she does.
personally have no issue with saying I'm sorry.
चलो.
I think also another important aspect is to have empathy. Why are you guys
like a teacher. I think another important aspect.
in any kind of human equation, you have to have empathy with the other person, put yourself in their shoes, see how they're feeling, see what
हमेशा
they're.
बहुत मुश्किल है मगर करना
No,
चाहिए.
you must do it. And you have to keep adjusting your expectations. Now, if
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just going to keep quiet.
No, I'm
guys.
listening to you.
No, yes, expectations you have to adjust and you have to give people room to breathe. If you put sand in your hand and if you leave your palm loose, it'll stay. But if you hold on to it too tight, it'll just slip through your fingers. And that's how you should be with all your equations in life.
Moving on to my
What's the next one?
next.
अभी उसको गाड़ी पकड़नी चलो.
Yeah,
No, I don't-
train. Gaadi nahi. But the next question is that do you feel that women find it easier to be single, or do you think there's a lot of societal pressure on women to be married or to be in a relationship after a certain age?
Yes.
Yeah.
But there's always that pressure on a woman.
Society
who's
is
single.
designed in a way that it's okay for men to be single. It's not that easy for women to be single.
But why do you think that's the case?
I think it's evolution. Their purpose was to have babies, procreate. I
Yeah.
think that emphasis has never left us. So I think even today there's that pressure that you need to get married,
So you
you need
think
to
it's
have
more
children.
from a point of view that the older a woman gets, the
Yeah.
the harder it is for her to
to have
a
children.
child.
Yes, your
बिल्कुल
biological clock
don't
is
take
ticking.
anybody seriously.
I don't.
Someone saying all this to you.
I don't
Who
take
said
it
this to you?
seriously. Nobody has said it to me. It's just
I,
a
in fact,
question
say
I'm
that please
asking.
don't get married in a
But I'm
rush.
saying,
When you're ready to have children emotionally, that's when you should be in a commitment.
I know.
Because till then, I feel
बिल्कुल कोई
emotional,
जरूरत नहीं.
financial maturity and security. After that is when you should get married, however long it takes.
But I mean, I think that there are a lot of women today who choose not to get married, and
Yeah.
Which is fine.
which is fine.
And there are a lot of couples today who choose not to have children, which is
Okay,
absolutely
but the
fine.
important question is that do you think our generation are we in love with the idea of love, or do you think that, like, do we just want to be in love, or do you think that we actually
No, the former.
we are in love with the idea of being in love?
A lot of your motivation comes from
The idea
I
of
don't want to be
being-
the only single person in my group or what have you. I'm a certain age. I should be, with someone. Or what. I don't know.
I mean, for our generation, there's also a big thing about being single and, being
I don't
with your
I don't know a
friends
single
and
one of
having
your friends
fun.
who's single, Navya.
That's also true.
Exactly. So that's very telling.
Well, anyway, now we are going to play my game, which is I'm going to give you some terms and you have to tell me what they mean. Let her also answer because you might know some of these. So I wanted to guess. So I'm going to
I won't know any of
you
them.
might just think, say what you think it could mean. Okay, so the first term is love bombing.
Bombarding somebody with love.
Yeah, that's what it means. It's where you basically get like overly affectionate with someone. It typically happens after you fought with them or you're trying to it's like you love bomb them. You give them extra love. It's like
It's
makhan
not
lagawing
love.
after a fight.
Makhan
or-
lagawing is.
I don't think that's what love bombing is.
It is.
No, it isn't.
What
Love
is-
bombing is when you don't give someone a chance, but you're just like you're sending flowers, you're sending chocolates, you're planning
you're
this, you
overly-
make it so impossible for the other person to say no. That's love bombing.
Second, bread crumbing.
Sorry?
Bread crumbing.
Bread crumbing?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Lord knows.
Just take a guess.
I don't even want to guess.
It's when you give someone like mixed signals. Like you're just like leaving crumbs.
Crumbs.
You're kind of flirting with them, but you're not really committing. You're a little
Oh God.
here and
Messy
there.
situation.
Yeah.
That's breadcrumbing. Okay, ghosting.
I know ghosting. Ghosting is when you just leave someone, you don't bother
This is
to tell
what you
them.
would hate.
You don't call them, you don't inform them, you just disappear. You become a ghost.
Okay, snack.
Someone
Snack.
who's cute.
Yeah.
Like very good looking.
Someone is looking like a snack. Good.
like a
or then-
snack, good enough to eat.
Nani is not.
I'm not liking these terms at all because they're so frivolous and so
Yeah, they
light and
Yeah, I agree. Anyway,
Situationship.
situation and ship.
it's a relationship that isn't like there's a problem in the relationship.
It's
No,
a
it's
situation
not-
based.
Yeah, it's not a relationship.
It's
Because they're
situation
not
based.
together. It's just a situation. Like you don't know what's really like happening. You're
Okay.
not at that stage where you're in a relationship. You're in a
So
situation.
you're working together and you feel that maybe yes, maybe not.
You're kind of in a situation. You
Yeah.
don't know what it
Right,
is.
yeah.
It's,
Oh, okay.
It doesn't have an official.
So you're
Tag.
not dating, but like you're
It's a
on the way
situation.
there, or okay.
You don't know if you're on the way there. You're just in a situation of some
very,
sort.
very frivolous. I'm sorry, but
Well, that was the end of my game. And now it's time to move on to Tira Talks. And our question for today is that you guys have always been big advocates of self-love and have always taught me that. So why is it important to pamper yourself, love and accept yourself the way that you are and embrace all your imperfections?
it's self-respect. If you don't respect yourself, your body,
Your mind.
your mind, how can you respect anybody else? You have to respect yourself first.
The boss said it.
She's spoken.
No.
So it's important to love yourself before you love.
I don't think this generation has any problem with self-pampering.
Yeah, even I don't think so.
Okay, and self-care.
Yeah.
But self-love is so difficult because you're constantly being fed a lot of negative. I don't know why. I feel it's just human nature. If someone says something nice to you, 20 people say something nice and one person says something bad.
focus on
You'll
the
focus
bad.
on the bad and you'll want to change it. Then that sticks in your head and then I mean,
agree.
I feel it for my generation, for me also.
I
It's
feel
not
it.
just-
I'm that person who will focus on that
Yes.
one bad
yes, I think
comment
it's-
rather than the.
I think it's negative things when they're said to you, they stick more than the positive things. I don't know why. It should be the opposite way. we have to maybe teach our children to
Love
focus on
themselves.
focus on the positive things that are said to you, because a lot of we do so much negative self-talk to ourselves. Oh, I'm fat, or my skin is, oh, I'm saggy. At my age, women are like, oh, I have wrinkles and I'm not looking as young as
Yeah.
or whatever. It's all negative self-talk. You make the most of what you have.
Well, thank you for joining me on this episode.
Oh, you're welcome. Did we have a choice
When did we do the last podcast?
last
As
year?
in season
Last
1.
year. Since
Oh,
when it
then we
ended,
haven't had a
the new
choice.
one started. We have to do the next one, huh? We have to do the next one, huh? We are doing the next one, huh? We are planning the next
Aren't
one,
you
huh?
having fun?
Navya, this is our unconditional love for you.
Yeah.
Both of us are not morning people. We're waking up. We're coming here.
I appreciate it. And I love you both.
No, we love you.
Very much.
It's called unconditional love.
Yes. So that was our episode for today. And talking about love, especially with mom and Nani, is always a bit tricky, but I think it went pretty well today. I think that I learned a lot from them in terms of understanding what the definition of love is, and especially what they think it means to them and what it means to me. And I hope it helped you guys as well define what it means for you. But I think that I learned a lot more about this whole modern culture of love and dating and apps. And I think I've realized that I'm more of a conventional person. I don't know about what you guys think. But I think in all, what I took away from this really is just being authentic in this world of swipes and likes and comments, and focusing on loving yourself first and giving yourself that respect and giving yourself all of these amazing things that we tend to give others before us. And I think that's my biggest learning from Mom and Nani today. But a special thanks to Tira for making this happen. And if you haven't checked them out, please visit them on their website, tirabeauty.com, or you can download their app and also visit their nearest store. Thank you. Little bit of
Fighting,
little bit of
laughter,
and a little of arguing. What the hell?
Navya bashing,
Little bit of
fighting,
not enough of
laughter.
what the hell?